ThymoTropin, empowering Japan's aging population. Konnichiwa. I'm Dr. Basam Damaj, President and Chief Scientific Officer of Vios Pharmaceuticals. I'm also the founder of the company, with over 20 years of experience in global biotech and pharma. I've had the privilege of living and working in Osaka, where I led strategic partnerships with Tanabe, Mitsubishi, Takeda, and Novartis Japan. That experience deeply shaped how we innovate at Vios Pharma, with cultural insight, regulatory alignment, and a focus on meaningful impact. At Vios Pharma, we create natural, science-backed solutions to support healthier aging. Our flagship innovation is ThymoTropin, a first-of-its-kind supplement clinically proven to improve strength, endurance, and muscle mass in aging adults. At Vios Pharma, we believe that healthier aging starts with preserving strength and independence. That's why we created ThymoTropin, the first plant-based, clinically validated supplement that targets the root cause of muscle loss by activating TRPV3 channels and down-regulating myostatin. It's not just a supplement, it's a science-backed breakthrough designed to increase muscle mass, built for Japan's aging population. Japan is aging faster than any other country. Today, over 36 million people, nearly 30% of the population, are over the age of 65. Of these, more than 8 million are affected by sarcopenia, a silent but serious condition that leads to muscle loss, frailty, and reduced independence. This demographic shift is placing enormous pressure on families, caregivers, and Japan's healthcare system. At Vios Pharmaceuticals, we believe that preventing muscle decline is one of the most impactful ways to extend healthy life expectancy, and that's where ThymoTropin can make a difference. We're at a critical point. Traditional supplements in Japan focus on general nutrition, protein, calories, or vitamins, but they don't address the root biological drivers of sarcopenia, like myostatin. That's where ThymoTropin stands apart. Targeting both myostatin and TRPV, three pathways to preserve muscle and mobility. Japan needs more than support. It needs prevention at the cellular level. ThymoTropin isn't just promising, it's proven product. In clinical studies, it reduced myostatin levels by over 36%, which helps prevent muscle loss. It also improved endurance by 14% and significantly boosted muscle strength in adults over 50. These aren't just nice-to-have results. These are the outcomes that define real independence and mobility in aging populations. ThymoTropin is plant-based, affordable, and approved for use across major global markets. It's FDA GRAS listed in the United States, compliant with EFSA standards in Europe, and fully approved as a natural health product in Canada. Most importantly, it's now FOSHU compliant in Japan, making it a trustworthy and ready solution for local distribution. Wherever we go, our mission is the same: to deliver safe, science-backed innovation without compromise. My connection with Japan goes beyond business. It is personal. I lived in Osaka for 2 years, where I led biotech and pharma collaborations and built meaningful partnerships with Japanese companies and friends. That time gave me a deep respect for Japan's culture of precision, trust, and long-term thinking, values that continue to guide how we operate at Vios Pharmaceuticals. My personal journey with Japan and its culture runs very deep. During my time in Osaka, I had the privilege of working closely with leaders at Tanabe, Mitsubishi, Takeda, and Novartis Japan. Together, we advanced innovative programs in immunology, oncology, and patient-centric care. These partnerships weren't just transactions. They were trust-based, purpose-driven collaborations that shaped how I build relationships today. We're ready to launch with a formula that's not only approved, but culturally aligned. ThymoTropin meets Japan's FOSHU requirements, and its plant-based profile resonates deeply with local preferences. We've done the work to ensure that our science matches Japan's values of safety, sustainability, and trust. We've already initiated key steps to ensure local success. Clinical validation preparations tailored for Japan is underway with 2 local institutions if needed. We're also finalizing local manufacturing partnerships to reduce lead times and align with Japanese GMP standards. Everything is in motion, from regulatory clearance to supply chain execution, to ensure the perfect launch. We're not early, we're right on time. With an aging population in need, regulatory approvals secured, and partnerships forming, this is the moment to bring ThymoTropin to Japan, where it's needed the most. This is not just a supplement, it's a solution backed by science, shaped by experience and validation, and built for Japan's unique needs. ThymoTropin empowers older adults to stay stronger, live longer, and feel more independent. At Vios Pharma, our mission is clear: empower aging individuals to live longer, stronger, and more independent lives. ThymoTropin represents a natural, validated, and accessible solution to one of Japan's most urgent healthcare challenges. We are proud to stand at the intersection of science, culture, and compassion. Arigatou gozaimasu. We are ready to partner, to launch, and to make a difference. Together,